What's up YouTube? I got this video for Fridge Fan Part 2 of the cards you wanted to look at. I'm sorry to say this, but this is gone. The dude contacted me and said he shipped out today. So sorry. I have some other stuff. I have a lot more Jordans at home. Some of these aren't Jordans. Some of them are like Stacey King and Dennis Rodman and Scottie Pippen. I just wanted to know if you wanted them. This is Stacey King right here. A Dennis Rodman All-Star. Scottie Pippen. Another Scottie Pippen. Then here's a Michael. Another Michael. And another Michael. Then a Kirby Puckett, because I saw you had a high-end PC of baseball rookies. So a Kirby Puckett rookie, Carlos Pena rookie, he's decent. Johnny Bench reprint rookie, Ichiro reprint rookie, Garrett Anderson rookie, Evan Longoria rookie, Brett Gardner rookie, Troy Tulowitzki rookie, Wade Boggs rookie, Roger Clemens rookie. I think that was the best. Mark McGuire graded Gem Mint 10 rookie. And then this is just sick. Steven Strasburg Bowman Chrome rookie.